Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you at least top 3 apps that can enhance the quality of your photo with Android phone. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about photo editing app with Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you at least 3 apps that can enhance your photo quality. Best photo editing apps for Android users. So let's check them out. So all these apps here, you can get them free on your Play Store if you are using Android phone. So what you need to do is to head over to so I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. One of the first apps we want to use here is Lead Photo. So Lead Photo. Then click on search. Then you have it right here. So this is the app right here. It's a very great AI editing app that allows you to do anything with your photo on Android. So what you need to do is to simply download and install it. As you can see, I have installed it on my phone. So after a successful installation, just tap on it and it opens up this way. So next thing you can do is to click on open. After you have successful download and install the app, then it's open up this page. So there are a lot of tools in this app that allow you to do anything with your photo. But in this tutorial, we want to take a look at how this app can enhance your photo quality. So what you want to do here is to simply swipe from the top right here and navigate to enhance. Then from here, you can choose the image you want to use. So I'm going to click on photo right here. Then from my phone camera, I will choose an image. So I'm going to use this image right here. Then in a few minutes, the app is going to scan the image and work on the resolution from low quality to higher resolution without any stress. So let's check out the result. So take a look at the result right here. So this is before and this is after. Okay, and this is before and this is after the enhancement. It's as simple as that. So once you're satisfied with the result, so you can see the resolution right here has drastically increased. So once you're satisfied with the result, simply click on this check mark right here and it's going to accept the transformation. It's as simple as that. Then you can simply come to the top right here, click on save, just for you to save the image into your phone gallery. So this is one of the first app that can enhance the quality of your photo in Android. So let's take a look at the second app that can enhance the quality of your photo in Android. So the second app I would like to make mention in this tutorial is Snap Edit. This app right here. You can also get this app on Google Play Store. Snap Edit is also great AI app that you can use to do anything with your photo. Okay, so what we want to take note in here in this tutorial is how we can enhance the quality of our photo with this particular editing app. So what we want to do here is to navigate to enhance. So I'm going to use the same image. So I'm going to select it from here. So it's going to load and work on the quality of the image. So we have to wait for some minutes and allow the AI to do the work. Okay, boom, you have it right here. So this is before and this is after. Now, one thing about this particular app here is that if you have the approved version, you get more quality results. So right here, this is free version and this is pro version. So I'm going to switch to pro version right here. So I will click on pro version and let's see the results. Okay, take a look at the pro version result right here. So one more thing we can do here, we can test from result 1, result 2 to result 3. So let's take a look at the result 2 and see the result. Take a look at it. The last result here, it gives us more higher resolution. So this is the second app I have for you as far as best app that can enhance the quality of your photo. This is before and this is after. It's as simple as as that. So let's take a look at the very last app I have for you as far as three apps that can enhance your photo quality in Android. So let's check it out. All right, so the very third one I want to use here is photo. So I'm going to click on it, open it up. Photo. So photo is also great AI app that allow you to edit your photo as much as possible and how best you want. All right, so there are a lot of tools right here to explore and try out with your photo. But in this tutorial, we want to see how we can enhance our photo with this Photon app. So first thing for, we need to make sure we head over to enhance right here. The next thing we need to do is to simply click on choose a photo. Then I'm going to use the same photo and we test the quality. Boom. It's as simple as that. We can also try and see the options of medium and the high. So I'm going to select medium, boom, and the high, boom. You can see the quality right here. So basically, these are three top apps that can enhance your photo quality with your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about photo editing with your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.